Hi guys, it's Leticia here with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how I did this super cute blowout at home. It's my first time doing it this method. I followed more or less a tutorial from Brad Mondo. I do like how the volume that I got from doing it this method, the curls look super natural and cute. If you want to try out this blowout method, keep watching this video.
First things first, you'll want to start with damp towel dried hair. I'm going to use a heat protectant spray to keep my hair healthy and protected from the heat. Never skip this step. I'm also going to need hair clips, a hairspray, and a volumizing mousse is optional. Now, let's section our hair. This is key to getting a smooth and even blowout. I start sectioning my hair into two parts. I tie the top middle section, leaving the bottom and outer section free to work with. Now for the fun part. I'm using the Revlon one-step hair dryer. I love how it combines a hair dryer and a round brush into one tool, making it so easy to use. I'll clip the bangs to the side. Starting with the bottom front section, I'm going to place the one step underneath it near the roots. I'll slowly pull the brush down, rotating it slightly to create that smooth curved effect. When you reach the ends, I like to curve the brush inward for a polished look. Repeat this process on each section of the bottom layer. Next section is the bangs, or what you would call the face framing part. You can create more volume by lifting the hair at the root and curving the brush away from your face. Now, as you finish each section, you can use your clips to set the curl. This is where the magic happens. After you've curled your section with the Revlon one step, gently roll it up and secure it with the clip. This will allow the curl to cool and set, giving you longer lasting volume and bounce. I continue working through the back, right, and left bottom sections. For extra volume at the roots, hold the brush at the root for a few seconds with the cooling setting before pulling it down. I section off the top into another top and bottom section. I work through these sections starting with the right side and continue the process. For the crown, you can over-direct the hair, pulling it up and back to create even more volume. Once your hair cooled completely for about 15 to 30 minutes, carefully remove the clips. You can use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to gently loosen the curls and add some texture. If you want extra hold, you can use a light hold hairspray. And there you have it, a beautiful salon-worthy blowout right at home.
I feel like the outcome was good. I do like how it turned out, the volume, but I did let my hair dry out a bit more than what I would have liked. So I didn't blow dry each section for very long because it was almost completely dry. I also at each strand was spraying more heat protectant, which I think that would have been good as well, but also to like wet it a bit more. I do really like how it turned out today. I just feel that I can improve on some things for next time. If I do this a second time, it would turn out so much better. But yeah, I think the results for this first time trying it do not disappoint. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys try this method? Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!